Hey, what is up, guys? It is your boy, your homie, your dude, Camden Garris, back with another video. Sorry if I have no energy right now. I, literally just woke up. But today, as you can tell by the title, I will be drinking a whole entire bottle of pop and then burping.
Boring!
Alright, let's just go on to the video. Here's the time lapse of me drinking this pop. It's a squirt, so it's very fizzy. Alright, I drink this whole entire thing. My stomach really hurts right now. Oh. Look at my lips. I usually burp a lot after drinking a bottle of pop. I'm so hot right now. Oh, I'm such a weirdo. Hello. Alright, my lips are gonna be like this for a long time. So let's hope not. But I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys are amazing. Subscribe, like, and comment down below. More videos, and yeah. Just my little hair just chilling over here. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys are amazing. It is your boy Camden Garris checking out for now, and peace.